Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria and let's have this problem. So find the exact value of tangent 1875 degrees. So first, we need to find the coterminal angle of this given angle. So from this 1875 degrees, we need to divide this one by 360 degrees. So 1875 divided by 360, that's 5.2. So we have 5.2. Then we just need to take this whole number, so 5, then multiplied by 360. So 5 times 360, that's 1,800. So we have 1,800 degrees. Then from the given angle, so 1,875 degrees minus this 1,800 degrees. So the coterminal angle of this 1,875 degrees is 75 degrees. Then since this 75 degrees is in quadrant 1, so therefore this tangent 1,875 is positive. So to find out the exact value of this tangent 1875 using this coterminal angle, so we have tangent 75 degrees. So we need to rewrite this 75 degrees in terms of 60 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees. Since 75 is equal to 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, then from the sum and difference identity, the tangent A plus B is equal to tangent A plus tangent B, then over 1 minus tangent A times tangent B. So from this equation, A is 45 degrees and B is 30 degrees. So substitute now the values. So we have this tangent A or tangent 45 degrees plus tangent B or tangent 30 degrees, then over 1 minus tangent A or tangent 45 degrees times tangent B or tangent 30 degrees. Then from the special triangle, that tangent 45 degrees is equal to 1 and tangent 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 3. So we just need to substitute now the values for tangent 45 and tangent 30 degrees. So tangent 45, that's equal to 1, then plus tangent 30, that's square root of 3 over 3, then over 1 minus tangent 45, that's 1 times tangent 30, square root of 3 over 3. Then simplify. So since we can apply cross multiplication for this one, so 1 times 3, this one is 3, plus 1 times square root of 3, that's square root of 3, over 1 times 3, this one is 3. And this one, so over 1, so that's 3, minus square root of 3, then over 3. Then to simplify, so we can find the reciprocal of this denominator. So 3 plus square root of 3 over 3 times the reciprocal of this denominator. That's 3, then over 3 minus square root of 3. Then we can cancel this 3. So we have now this 3 plus square root of 3 over 3 minus square root of 3. Then to rationalize the denominator, so we just need to multiply this by the conjugate. of this denominator, since this one is minus, so the conjugate is 3 plus square root of 3. And also this numerator, 3 plus square root of 3. Then to simplify, so distribute this 3 times 3, that's 9. Then 3 times square root of 3, this one is 3 square root of 3. Square root of 3 times 3, so plus 3 square root of 3. And square root of 3 times square root of 3, so plus square root of 9. Then over, for this denominator, we can use the sum and difference of a binomial. So if we have a plus b times a minus b, so we can rewrite this one as the square of a, or the square of the first term, minus the square of the second term. So therefore, for this denominator, so the square of the first term, so 3 squared, minus the square of the second term, so the square of square root of 3. Then to simplify, so we have 9, and the square root of 9, this one is 3. So 9 plus 3, this one is 12. Plus, for the addition of radical, we need to add the numbers outside. So we have 3 plus 3, this one is 6, then copy the square root of 3. Then over, so this 3 to the power 2, this one is 9, and square root of 3 to the power 2, this one is 3. So 9 minus 3, this one is 6. Then observe the numbers, we have 12, 6, and 6, so all divisible by 6. So 12 divided by 6, this one is 2, plus 6 divided by 6, that's 1, or simply square root of 3. And 6 divided by 6, that's 1. So therefore, the exact value of this tangent 1875 degrees is 2 plus square root of 3.